Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy cards with the Greatest Journey suite. Here is my simple Greatest Journey card. I basically used the designer series paper and just embossed a sentiment, stamped some trees, and added some clouds. And I did it with both sides of the paper. There's a green side and a purple side. And so here are some of the variations of the cards. On this one, I embossed the sentiment down here and I stamped the stars in the sky. So let's go ahead and make one. Here is the Greatest Journey bundle. Has lots of fun stamps and extra dies that you can use for the cards, as well as a set of twine and some fun enamel sticker icons. And the best is the paper, in my opinion. One side is one color and then the other side is another color. And you've got trees and clouds and mountains and ombre, mountains and stars. Really, really cool paper. So I'm going to do a purple card, and I went ahead and cut out the whole sheet so I get 3 purple, and then the green is from the other side, and then I cut out a strip in between. So you get 6 cards and you get to do 3 green and 3 purple. So you can emboss them all at once and make a whole bunch of cards, or just start with one. There's just a few trees down here, so I'm going to add a couple more using the Orchid Oasis ink and the trees that are in the stamp set. So I'm going to start with the dark trees in the front. So now I'm going to stamp off and do a few lighter trees in the back. So I'm just going to emboss the sentiment in the corner over here. And I'm just going to fill in any blank spots with a chalk marker to make my image more solid. And I'm going to just add this on to a basic white card base. And lastly, I'm gonna add on some clouds. And that is my simple Greatest Journey Mountain of Thanks card.